Ladies and gentlemen, Shane Garrison here at the beautiful Kia Hamilton showroom. I have the brand new 2021 Kia Sorento X-Line. This is the kind of the mid-level, the first entry level where you'll get the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, looking at 281 horsepower with that engine. With the X-Line, you have some beautiful exterior features we're going to go over as well. You'll have that beautiful silver painted front grille. Beautiful job with the redesign. We're going to have some videos comparing the old body style with the new body style as well. You have your LED daytime positioning running lights there. Beautiful job with the look of those lights. One of my favorite parts with the X-Line is 20-inch machine alloy rims. Specific to the X-Line there, you have that nice kind of gray matte finish to them. Following with the trim that matches, you got your badging in that black mirror, which is nice. But beautiful job. This is the Aruba Stone Green, one of the new colors to Kia this year. My favorite part about the new redesign is the back. Beautifully done. You have your Sorento badging, nice lights, beautiful lines. Again, that nice black finish. We'll take a look at the space in the rear here. Just pops up. Lots and lots of room, guys, if you need it. That's with the seats folded right down. So lots of space. If you got some kids and they got some friends over, you need the extra space. Very easy just by pulling these seats up like that. So you'll still have that option. Still a little bit of storage there as well if you need it. And then as we hop into the back, you'll have all of your controls, climate controls, USB of course if they need them there. There's also releases for the seats just by the press of a button, and then also a 12 volt if you will need that in the rear. Oh, might need to open that. As you take a look at the rear, again, full-size SUV, lots of space, Cup holders in the side of the door for the kids there. We got another one. We also have, of course, a 12 volt and another USB there. My favorite part is you'll also have USBs in both the front seats. So that's the passenger, there's one in the driver. Being 2021 with those kids and their iPads, lots of charging ports if you need them. No issues there. As we hop in, of course, we have the smart key, built-in remote start as well. Very nice feature. No extra cost to that. Comes built in with the key. You can lock, unlock the doors just with the press of a button. And then we have our nice premium upgraded cloth seating with the power adjustable driver's seat. As we hop in, I'm gonna try to pull this back and give you guys some space. We'll start her up. So push button start. Starts right up just like that. I'm in the showroom, so I'm not gonna be leaving her on. But just to go over some of the cluster here. Beautifully well done. Redesigned, very easy to use. You have your drive modes. It'll go through all your different settings. With this vehicle here, you'll have a few extra features as far as driver's assistance. So you do have a few things that you can set, but you'll have your forward safety, lane keep assist, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert. So as soon as you pop that car in reverse, that backup camera will pop up. And being that there is a car, that beep just lets you know that there is somebody behind you. But we're gonna take a look down here at the cluster. So really nice features here. You have your hill descent control right here. If you don't like that beeping, you do have that option to turn it off, but you got your heated wheel. You have your drive modes, all easily accessible here for you. And then of course your different tractions. So snow, mud, sand. If you do really want to take this baby off-roads, she's covered for every terrain for you. You also have the heated seats here. both in the front. That just pops up like that. You'll have your wireless charger, USBs, and 2 fast charging USB ports. So again, USB ports everywhere for you guys. Regarding the cluster, again, beautifully done. Everything's all easy, accessible. You have your dual climate control, so you want to be cold over here, hot over here, no problem. Very easily laid out, easy to understand. And then you have that beautiful 8-inch display, all redesigned there. You have a few widgets that you can mess around with: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, of course, all the standard features. Just gonna give you one more overview of this beautiful car, guys. Aruba Stone Green 2021 Kia Sorento X-Line. Beautiful car. We're gonna have more videos coming of every model. Like I said, we're gonna have the comparison video of the older style Sorento with the newer style Sorento. You can see the drastic changes. But guys, this is the X-Line. Call your favorite sales rep today for a test drive, and hope you have a great day.